Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about two important AI tools which will be very useful for our academic writing. So and also it will be useful for students fraternity. So there are different options are available related with writing. So some of the options are free, some of the options are paid version. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tools and how it will be useful for our academic and research paper writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy as sources. So in this workshop, we are going to model that is PV wind system and battery energy storage system. So and then we are going to implement a maximum power point tracking in this particular renewable energy sources in order to grasp maximum amount of energy from them. And then we are going to connect it with EV charging station and then to grid also, and we are going to make proper energy management between grid and electric vehicle charging station. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today first is that, so here you can see it is a paragraph generator. So here you will be having different options like a photo editor, a anime generator, background generator, tattoo generator, essay writer. Next a character chat, a poster generator, a cover letter generator. Next a caption generator, a paragraph writer, a question generator. Next question answerer. So a character generator, a answer generator. So these are the different options available in this AI paragraph generator tool. So here what you have to give, so just you have to give an input prompt. So in this input prompt you can give anything you want. So for example, I am going to give explain about the machine learning algorithms. So like that I am going to give an input. So and then you can click on submit. So automatically this a paragraph generator will generate a better content regarding what you have asked for. So here you can see that machine learning algorithms are computational models used to enable computers to learn from data. So next these algorithms fall under these primary categories: supervised learning, unsupervised learning. So like this these are the different things about that particular machine learning is generated. So like that whatever the content you want, even technical content or as well as normal content, whatever you want, so you can use this AI paragraph generator to generate the content. So you can make use of this AI paragraph generator option to make your research paper writing easy. So next you can try all these other options also. For example, if you want to try any other option, AI character chat, just click on AI character chat. So here it will lead to this dashboard. So and you can click on chat now. So character chat will be that is Sarah. So it will load, it will take some time. So you can add this as a chat bot and you can chat with this particular character. So you can ask you can give any prompt you want, accordingly it will generate answer for you. So here so I am going to give for example, so how renewable energy will be there or make future impact in power sector. So like that you can give an input. So here it will generate answer for you. So here as a friendly and engaging assistance, latest topic brought out. So first one is sustainability. So unlike non-renewable resources which will eventually run out sunlight, so like that it is generated the content and you can see that it reduce carbon emissions, energy independence, cost saving. So like that the advantages of that is the impact of renewable energy in power sector will be generated. So all this can be generated for free only. There is no need to go for subscription option. So you can make use of this option in this AI paragraph generator to generate better content for your research paper. You can explore whatever you want according to your applications or your need. So this is all about this AI paragraph generator. Go on and explore this paragraph generator. So this will be very helpful for you to generate a crisp and best content for your academic and research paper writing. And also if you want to that is especially students, those who are writing essays or assignments, so you can make use of this option in this paragraph generator also. So this is all about this first tool. The next tool what we are going to discuss is that 𝐸2AV. So it is right. So elevate your essays with AI and expert human guidance. So this is all about this tool. So in this tool, so just click on try new. So there is try for free. So here there are two options are available in this particular 𝐸2AV, writing fundamentals and college admissions. So these are the two options. So here you can click the option called writing fundamentals. So in this writing fundamentals option, so you can access this writing fundamentals option only if you have upgraded. So other than that, you can get a knowledge about what are the different things available in this writing fundamentals. So here you can see argumentative writing, creative writing, descriptive writing, expository writing, narrative writing, persuasive writing, reflective writing, research writing, short essay writing. So like the different options are available. So in this research writing, so here you can see exploring current events, uncovering history, dwelling into the science, understanding culture, literary insights, addressing social issues. So these are the different options available. So next, for example, if you want to have a creative writing, so in this you can see there are different options. Unlikely friendship, time travel adventure, the hidden door, the magic pen. So like this creative writing. So other than this, these are the different options available in this creative writing. So the in this 𝐸2AV, so you have to go for writing fundamentals. So from that what you can do is, so you can select any of the options you want. As far as our objective is to write research paper, so you can click on research paper writing and you can explore whatever the things available in this particular tab. So but the only thing is that you have to go for upgrade option. So go on and check. So if it is works out well, so first check with some that is some prompt. So if it works out well, so you can go for upgrade option. So next, so you cannot use it for free. So just you have to subscribe at least in order to analyze that. First you have to go for subscription. Yes. So this is a subscription option. So it is $49 per month for subscription. So this is all about this 𝐸2AV. So this is to inform you that, so and you familiarize with you that this is the tool available for academic writing. So these are the two different tools we have discussed in this video. So apart from this, I am going to show you another one. So just a minute. So this is a blog, so where you can see artificial intelligence tool for direction, research and writing. So these are the different tools available. So this will be very helpful for you. So among these tools, we have made many maximum amount of tools. We have made videos with a detailed explanation, so you can check our YouTube channel also. So other than this, so there are different options are available with prompts and places to start, research and literature review tools, writing tools, grant writing tools, meeting and video useful tools, and other tools. So for others also, so here you will be having a different option with the explanations, what are the tools, how it will be used, like that. So it is given. So you can make use of this blog to find better AI tools for your research paper writing also. So this is all about this video. The first tool what we have discussed is the free tool. The second one is fully it is for paid version. So go on and explore that AI paragraph generator to make your research paper writing simple and easy. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.